Attention marketers and agencies, are you ready to unlock the power of AI and guarantee more clients in 2025? This is your chance to learn actionable strategies that are beginner-friendly, easy to copy, and guaranteed to boost your agency success. I'm Mike Inishev, CEO and founder of Boomerangme, and I'm inviting you to our free 3-day workshop happening from December 10th to 12th. During these 3 days, you'll discover how to use AI tools to find and close first-time clients fast. Proven step-by-step strategies designed for absolute beginners. And we guarantee sales, backed by contracts. That's right, we're so confident we'll guarantee you'll see results. If no, we will get your money back. You don't need to be a tech wizard or an AI expert to benefit from this. This workshop is tailored for agencies at all levels, even if you are just starting out. Spots are limited and you don't want to miss this chance to set your agency up for success in 2025. Click the link below to save your seat right now. I'll see you at the workshop. Let's make 2025 your best year yet.